Morning all. How are you? Yes, all of you are fine? Yes, very good. Yay. Okay, so today is our English class. Okay? Yes. So in our English class, we are studying alphabets. Right? We are studying alphabets. We are studying small alphabets. Right, children? Yes. In your last your class, like in your junior kg, we have studied capital alphabets, right children, capital alphabets, and also we have studied small, right, small alphabets also I have taught you. Yes, but we have to read and write them again, right, because we have to know them very well, right. They are the alphabets which are very important, so we have to know them very well. Okay, so we are going to study them again. Okay, we are going to read them and write them. Okay, so now in our last session we studied which alphabet? Yes, it was small b, right. Okay, so in this session we are going to study small c. Right children? We are going to study small c. Okay. Now see, look at this children. Yes? Yes. This is a capital C. This is a small c. This both are look same, right? Yes, capital C and small c look same. What is the difference? Yes? Yes, there is a difference. No, they don't look different. They look very same. But there is little bit different. What is it? Yes, small c is small. Capital C is big. Right? Yes, so that is a difference in between small and capital. Okay. Now, first of all, we will meet some of the friends of C. Right? We are meeting C. We are meeting small c. Right? Capital C is what? Mother C. And small c is what? Baby C. So you wanted to meet the friends of baby C? Yes. Okay. C. What is this? Yes. What is this, children? It is a chick. It is a chick. Baby of hen. Baby of chicken. It is a chick. Baby of chicken. Right? So, it is a friend of a C. C says chick. C says chick. Right? Read with me. C says chick. Okay, look at this. Yes. What is it? Yes. C says cat. C says cat. What is the sound of C? K. Sound of C is K. Right? So, cat. C says cat. Okay, read with me, okay? Now, what is this, children? Yay! It is going like this. What is it? Caterpillar. What is it, children? Caterpillar. Right? Say hi to caterpillar. Hi, caterpillar. Yay! See, he's smiling at you. Okay, so caterpillar is also a friend of a baby C. Okay, C says caterpillar. Sound of C is K. Sound of C is K. K. So, C says caterpillar. Right? Yes. Now look at this. This is a page of your workbook. Okay. So here we are going to meet some friends of C again. Okay. Look at the first friend of C. Yes, you have already met her. है ना, पहले भी मिले ना आप लोग अभी. Yes, who is she? Cat. C says cat. Read with me, children. मेरे साथ रीड करेंगे. C says cat. Okay, now see. The boy is in the car. Boy is in the car. So C says car. C says car, or you can read it as C is for car. C is for car. Yes. Now see children, what the boy has worn on the head? Cap and I? Yes, it is a cap. It is a cap. So C is for cap. Read with me. C is for cap. Sound of C is K. Cap. Right? C is for cap. Very good. Now look at this children. Yes, who is there behind the car? कार के पीछे कौन है? Yes, it is a cow. It is a cow. C says cow. C says cow. Right? C says cow. Okay. Now look at this. C says, yes, we have met him. We have said hi to him, right? What is it? Caterpillar. Yes. C says caterpillar. C says caterpillar. Yes. Okay. Shall we read it again? Okay. C is for cat. C is for cap. C is for car. C is for cow. C is for caterpillar. Yes. Okay. So we have met all the friends of C, right? Okay. Now what we have to do the next C? We have to color the Miss Cat. Yes, Miss Cat is C. She's sitting over there. Yes, she's smiling. So what we have to do? We have to color her. Okay. And what we have to do? We have to trace the dotted C. Right? Small C has written over here. Let us do that first. Then we'll color. Okay. Yes, we have to color. We have to trace it. Small C. Yes. You have to write it in a middle line. Okay. Yes. C. Okay. Now we are going to color the cat. Okay. Which color do cat have? Cats are in a different color. It is black also. White cat is also there. Yellow cat is also there. Right? Okay. So which color do we color? We will have a yellow color. Okay. Because I have yellow color. Okay. So we will color it in yellow color. Yes. You can color it in a color whichever you wanted, right? When you get your workbook. Yes. Yes, teacher is coloring a Miss Cat. Okay. Okay, you can color her nicely. Okay? Yes. Okay. Now see. This is a page of your workbook, right? This is a page of your workbook. What you have to do? You have to write a C in this. Okay? Yes, you are going to write the C. Yes. And what you have to do here? You have to circle. See, look at this here. Below. What you have to do? You have to circle the C over here. Okay? Okay. So, you are going to write C over here, right? You can write there. Okay. So, you have to circle the C. See, where is C? Yes, it is here. C. Yes. Where is another C? Yes, it is here. So we will circle the C. Where is another C? Yes. Yes. Okay, where is another C? Yes. So you are going to circle it. Okay. Yes, our work is over. Now look at this very simple activity over here. What you have to do? You have to circle the correct letter, right? Yes. Now children, see, here is a camel. It is a camel. Yes, camel has a sound of a C, camel. And C has a sound of a K. So, camel. Yes. So, where is the C, children? This one? No. This one? No. This one? Yes. This is a capital C, right? Yes, there is a Mama C also and baby C also. Okay. Now, what is this, children? These are the cookies. These are the cookies. So, cookies have a sound of a C? Yes? Cookies. Yes? Yes, C for cookies. Okay. So, where is C, children? Is this a C? No. Is this a C? No. Is this a C? Yes. So, circle it. Yes. Okay. Now, what is this, children? Yes, it is a corn. Yes, you can see it nowadays, right? It is a season of corn. Yes, we get it in the market, right? So it is a corn. Okay, so a corn has a sound of a C. C is for corn. C, corn, right? Okay, so is this a C? No. Is this a C? No. Is this a C? Yes. So circle it. Okay. Now what is this? Yes. Yummy. 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 Yes. We like to get it. We like to have it. What is it? Cake. What is it? Cake. Yes. So C is for cake. C says cake. Right? C has a sound of K. Cake has a sound of a K. Cake. C is for cake. So where is C, children? Is this a C? No. Is this a C? No. Is this a C? Yes, it is a baby C. So circle it. Yes, children. So you understood? Yes. So you are going to do it at your home. You are going to write the small C. Okay. And so our session is over. Meet you in the next session. Bye. Take care.